We're here in Durban, down on the points at the Hay Store. Such an amazing turnout of the coffee community that are here to learn and share knowledge. So a really amazing lineup of speakers, a lot of enthusiasm already from the people of South Africa and the coffee community who have come to listen and share. And as you can see behind me, there's a great atmosphere, a great vibe, and we're so excited for the next 3 days.
Here in Durban, you can see there's a really strong, passionate coffee community here. I've only been here like less than a day and I'm already like, I need to come back here for a longer stay. I'm here today to talk about the book that I wrote, which is What I Know About Running Coffee Shops, it's definitely my dream job and I wouldn't swap it for anything else, but I think it's important that people have a realistic viewpoint of what really goes into it.
When I first heard about Creative Coffee Week, it was last year, which I think was the first one. I feel like all over the world people are exploring coffee and getting together to try to make it better. And this is great to see. It's so much bigger than what I knew happened last year, so I was super excited and very honored to be asked to come. Some people say it's unique for coffee that there's so much sharing that happens. Everyone in this business is sort of dedicated to bringing this beautiful product to the average person, which is not an easy thing to do, so I think we kind of lean on each other and figure out ways to do it better.
It's really nice to be able to have an event that is just for the industry. I think we're all trying to push the same thing. We're trying to elevate the coffee experience, and although we are competitors, we're also friends. And it's lovely to be able to be in a space where you're not competing for the consumer's cup of coffee, not trying to sell yourself. You're just here to learn, to chill out, to reconnect with people, and I think that's super valuable.